We are creating this still image and we turn it into a video. And these are very popular on YouTube right now with channels like lo-fi and soul and R&B channels. They love this kind of images, and you've turned them into videos that they can download. So if you use these type of skills that we're learning today and you upload them on Pixabay and you register on Fiverr and you go online and you sell your skills, you will be able to start generating income, even passively. Let's jump right in. You can generate income by creating these videos, and you can advertise your services on Fiverr, and you can use these tools and advertise your work. As you can see, some of these creators are charging 928, 186, 93 for a TikTok. It depends on how clued up you are and how your rating works when people rate your work on Fiverr. You can also advertise your services on social media. That's how I generate most of my income. When people find me on social media, then they hire me, and then I create work for them and I generate income. The other option I want to show you is if you upload your work on Pixabay, for example, and you are one of the creators on Pixabay and you've got media that's on there. Pixabay will quality review your work, like this video that we've added a couple of hours ago from Pixabay. It is a still photo of Cape Town raining. When people view it and people like it, they're going to download it. But the nice thing with Pixabay is when people like your work, they donate to you and then you generate income that way. Our journey is going to start with ChatGPT. However, if you're very good in describing the scene yourself, you can skip ChatGPT and go straight to the AI image generators. I am not, so I'm going to start with ChatGPT and ask them exactly what I want. So I'll add this prompt in the description below for you, and you could use the create an image, or you could ask it to give you a prompt and go to your favorite AI generated tools. So I'm going to ask it to help me write a prompt, and then it creates an image for me. Oh, this is also so beautiful. I don't like that. You see, so once you have a perfect prompt that you want, you can go to your DreamLab or your Leonardo. So I'm going to add this prompt to my DreamLab. Oh, something like this. We found this beautiful picture on DreamLab. We've downloaded it, you saw it, and now we like the picture so much, and I just want to enhance it and make it even better. So I'm going to select the image and I'm going to go to edit the image, and then I'm going to select adjust. And on adjusting my image, I'm going to scroll down to saturation, and I want to saturate it and make it really quite intense and really purple like it is here. Love it. Once I'm happy, I'm going to go to my share button and I'm going to click on download. I want to download it as a PNG, and I click download. My next step is to access KlingAI.com. With KlingAI.com, you're going to create an image to video. So I have created a video in the past. You're going to drop your image where it says start and end frame prompt. So I'm going to click on here to go find my image. And it is this still video one that we got from Canva, and I load it on here. So with Kling.ai, it has a tendency of moving the frame. If you want to see what I mean, I can show you with this video. When I edit this video and I created it, and when I play it, it moves the camera that way. So if you don't want the camera to move at all, you could have a start of your image as a frame, and then you could have another frame as an end frame. This actually is going to cost you credits, but if you want a still one, You can tell the AI don't move, it still makes it to move. So I want the beginning and the end frame to be the exact same frame. Therefore, it's going to load the beginning of the frame and the end of the frame. So when you do that, it automatically changes it to a professional mode, which is fine with me. Let me just add the correct image on start. I think I added Cape Town. So my beginning and my end is the same. When I scroll down, I want to tell the tool that I want the car to be driving along the street, and I want the leaves of these trees, the jacaranda trees in South Africa that are so beautiful, to be falling on this windscreen. And then when you scroll down, you get to add the negative prompts, where I don't want blur and disfigurement and written words and WAP and funny things like that. You add that on there and then you're happy. So it depends if you want a 5-second video or if you want a 10. I'm going to leave it as a 5-second video because I'm going to extend it when I get to CapCut and make it a 1-minute long video. If you make it 10-second long, your credits are a little bit more. So I'm happy with the 35, and then I click on generate, and then it will start telling me that it's going to generate. Then I can do other things. I want to show you the first results. The petals are flowing inside the car. That's not what we want. And then I did it again, and the next time was even worse. So when it's driving by, it's not driving by, it's standing still. So I'm thinking my mistake is adding the end image. So I'm going to take off the end image and try one more time and ask the AI to drive slowly and gently. And I'm going to do standard mode. We came very close to something I want. Some of the petals are still coming in the car, but I don't think people will mind. You can tweak it. As you see, I've tried a couple of times. The end results worked very well when it was a still photo, but I wanted the car to move like this. So I absolutely love it. I'm going to download it without more watermark, and then I'm going to go to CapCut and increase it to a 1 minute and load it to pixabay.com. If you enjoy these videos of making money, of how I'm making subscribers, let me know in the comments below. But thank you, Rochelle. She asked me to share my information that I have on how I'm making money, so I will definitely do that if it's going to add value to you, my audience. I appreciate you. You can go ahead and watch the Kling video that I created for you. We will see each other on our next video.